welcome back to my lesson with Steven. And today I'm going to show you something new. Well, technically I'm doing a little haul today, but whatever. I will be unboxing stuff. Yeah. So I'm going to start off with a few small stuff. Work my way to probably my favorite thing I've got. Yeah, you're going to see a glimpse of those other ones. So here are some stickers that I have here. So I'm going to start off with the first pack. Now these are only €1 in Mr. Price. Really fun and cool. I think there's more sheets than one though. It's a fun sticker pack. So this is what I can see at the front. I'm just going to open it off camera. Well, all of them off camera once I finish examining the package. And it says vinyl stickers. And it says sticker fun. Also says mega sticker pack collection. Collect them all. And a little pow. On the back it said collect them all. Stuff like that. The scan code for fun stickers. Blah blah blah. Mega pack. And yeah. Oh, this scanny thing. Doesn't really scan clean matter. Anyways. There we go. Now we have so actually these are my second favorite. Now these are my favorite. I'm actually a cat lover, not a dog lover. It's true, but my friend is a dog lover. A lot of my friends are dog lovers. So yeah. My favorite cat is this really nice one over here with the bow. Dotted bow, and it's a normal pink. That one's baby, well, light pink. There's a little tiger over here too. That kind of also counts. It's also in the cat family. And the same on the back. All these are from the same company, but there is actually a different company. I also bought dog stickers for those dog lovers out there. And I would have gotten unicorn stickers, but I already have unicorn tattoos. I didn't make an unboxing video with those, so. So there's a lot of dogs. Oh, this one's really small and cute. Then it says woof and cute. So time to unbox all of these off camera. I thought there's only one. It's not a box, by the way. So we have our unicorn one. Just gonna pick this up. So there's one that says Girl Gang, no bad vibes. There's one at the side that says hello, sweetie. Then we have Chick. Then we have Sparkle. Then we have Explore. Then we have Love. Love myself. Okay, then we have Dreamer. Then we have Wonder Lust, I think. Okay, so subscribe if you know what that word is, but I think it's Lust. Enjoy the rain. Believe in magic. I think that's magic. Believe in magic. Well, it says magic, but I think it's magic. Then it says find your space. Find your way. So I think it's probably going to say find your way, but it just says it like that. And then that's that sheet. And we're going to examine the cat sheet. This cat is really cute, but my favorite one's that one. Actually, my favorite one's that one on that side, and then we have a heart that says cat. And my favorite one, oh, we have a little envelope there, is this cat over here. And yeah. Oh, I love these rainbow sunglass cats. Cats begging, stuff like that. Also, just to say, Here's a big look of all of this. There's also a unicorn there. Some ice cream, a cupcake, some macarons, a rainbow, cupcake, and yeah, more stuff like that. And we have our dog ones. So as you know, Wolf and Cute. And we have our little doggies, and we have some butterflies over here. So we have a big bulldog. Yeah, bulldog. And we have them wearing different outfits. We have some dogs over here. Oh, here's a sausage dog. I'm not really sure what all dogs are called. And here's a husky. So, like if you know what the rest of the dog names are. But if you don't know, that's fine. You don't have to like. No. Also, if you still know them, you don't also have to like and stuff. So that's the stickers. So next we have this inflatable drink holder, which can also be used double up as a Barbie floaty. So I'll actually show you on a little Barbie and then on a kid. So yeah. But this is a flamingo one, and I actually have a different one that's the unicorn. And I also saw a peacock one, and I'm gonna unbox that in a different video. Yes, the peacock one was actually a little more than this. So this one was €1, maybe 28 or 27 or 29 cents. And yeah. Now, show you my unicorn floaty. So here's my unicorn one. There's a little shuffle in the background, I know. And we have Barbie. She might be coming in, you know, down from the city. Yeah! No one's taking me away from this beauty. Yes, so. Okay, this is my Barbie. You might recognize her from my videos. My Barbie videos I make. And then we have some kids to test this out. See how many kids can fit in. As you see, it's perfect. It's good for adults. And then I'll show you a kid. And kids can fit on it. I'm just gonna see how many kids I can fit. Yeah, that might be a little squished. So if any of you like Barbies a lot, you might think this is a little bit of, you know, sadness for the Barbies, but don't worry. Sure, they're okay. In a way, slush. There we go. And here we have Slush is best friend. She is a Verifant, too. I'll put this on our card again. So it can approximately fit 4 Barbies dolls if you want it to be squished like that. Or you can sit it down. Let me get a different. You can sit them down like this. Also, P.S. I made these hairstyle. On her, of course. Okay, so you can fit 2 Barbies on if you want it to be like that. You might squeeze in a 3rd one. So here, I'm gonna test this out on the flamingo floaty. Yes, I'm unboxing this on camera. You never saw This is how bad I am unboxing this on camera. I'm holding the camera too, you know, and if you can't hear me, just do your best to make out what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna inflate this off camera since I'm terrible in inflating stuff. With the camera, I'm gonna be even better. So this is the flamingo floaty. Comparing it to the unicorn floaty, it's a little smaller. That's okay, since let's try. See if Barbie Calabunga's into here. Ah! Okay, don't do too much of that. So Barbie can still fit on here. It's a little tight of a squeeze, a little tighter. That's fine, she can still fit. Now let's see how many kids can fit on here. Maybe not as many as 4 this time. Okay, time to go for bottom. It's going to be princess. Lovely little princess. And we have it, and then she's going to be on top. She's going to be on top. Then we're going to bring in slush. Yeah. You could do that, or you can make it all lovely and neat and even and just give one of the kids this floaty. But that looks a little bit messy because of how big the floaty is. Well, the floaty is actually smaller than that, but whatever. Okay, the mini floaties. Warning. If you have a Barbie with a large dress like this one could definitely fit on here. Just one of them. Yeah, I'm just gonna try. So I'm gonna start off with her there. Charlotte there, and then I can just put slush here. Yeah, you can fit 3. It's a little squishier though. A little unbalanced. So I'd advise just to put 2 on if you're making a video and you don't want them to fall out. So, yeah. There we have our flamingo floaty. Moving on to the last thing. Sorry about the delays. Watch part 2. I only make part 2s because, yeah, the editing app, won't let me have my video 15 minutes longer. So, yeah, problem there. Have fun with the video I'm posting. Yeah, and all that stuff. Yeah, well, watch part 2. Part 2.